So, a more than match pass. More than match pass, and yeah, this purple light soup and kasa. Wow. So this mine.
Yes.
Woo.
That's right. Yeah.
Boa boa with some ginger and one slice of okra, snail. Hey.
I record.
Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is my Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so I came to meet my old friend. Yeah. So this is my old friend, Soldier Boy. Yes, I say my shout out to Adi. Yes, I. So I'm inside East Legon, and yeah, I've been here for long. Yeah, so we're here, tree under. So the tree under is sitting under the tree. You see the painting? Yeah. There's one tree over here too. So the under is where we sit.
I don't know waiting I go do. I go pay you tomorrow.
Yeah, so this tree under, you see how the local blender, I call this local blender, yeah, a Sindaco yoyo being displayed over here. And yeah, I record it inside this Lego tree under. So as you can see, neat environment. See how neat the pan look like. Yeah, this light soup with some bush meat.
No, goat meat.
Ah, goat meat. Okay, goat meat. Yeah.
The broccoli.
Oh, yeah, so that's mommy over here. Mommy, kahai.
Hi. You have to cancel. Local chicken.
Okay.
So green. I know
EBUNUEBUNU
snow.
Okay.
And where fish light soup.
Okay.
Dry fish light soup.
Yeah, so I'm loving the place because it's very neat and well organized, and this is mommy. Yeah. So the place is very neat. Like most shop bars, you can't even eat from there, but here is very neat and clean, and I love it. Tree under inside me past and Miss Legend.
Tree under.
Yeah. You're on Instagram.
Yeah.
Hey. Chop out Instagram. Wow. It's a new FUFU crying. Muchopa.
Mano, EBUNUEBUNU.
Yeah, EBUNUEBUNU kwa, yeah. EBUNUEBUNU kwa, yeah. With some snails and all those stuff, yeah.
I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrow.
Yeah, so I'm here under the tree under, yeah, inside this Lego, and I just have my tuna with some bit of fufu. And the green, see how green the soup looks like. Yeah, so a bit of snail and fufu. Yeah.
I want to forget my problems.
Wow.
I want to forget my.
Man, it's dope. I wasn't expecting it.
If you don't get it,
it's dope. No. I recommend this place. Hey, though, man, the food is very dope and unique. The soup is superb. Wow. EBUNUEBUNU papa.
If I booze, I go forget.
How the thing tastes, I think I'll request for more because too much sweetness. So this is snail. I know most people doesn't like snail, and when they see snail, hey, why are you eating snail? Wow. All I can say is that it's dope. Just visit here and you know for yourself. Man, this is not hype. It's the fat. That's the fat. The tree under inside this Lego and Passem is the place to be. Sunday afternoon. Trust me.
My wife they cry for money, oh. My children they cry for trouble. So wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow.
And this dope. Look, I kill him.
The underscore tree underscore under.
Instagram. Yeah. Okay, so we heard it, yeah?
Mine you can never find in Accra.
In Accra.
Yes.
I like the vim. No soon. Vim yeah.
Today's video is sponsored by Afro Tea. Afro Tea is made from our true local natural herbs or plants we have in Africa, and it's a tea that will help boost your immune system and also keep you in shape. There are about 9 different types of these natural flavors. They have hibiscus and ginger, which is sobolo powder with ginger. They have mango and ginger. They have kinkiliba leaves. They also have adding fruit, which is prekese with lemon and ginger, and a whole lot. Afro Tea also comes with 9 sealed package. So before you start your day, or after hard day's work, or even during the day, you can drink Afro Tea. All what you need is hot water. Just dip in a bag of tea bag into the hot water and wait for some minutes, and add in your honey, brown sugar or sweetener. Then you are good to go.
It's just perfect. It's just like drinking any normal tea that Lipton or whatever. This you have, or you feel the herbs, the aroma of the herbal. Very nice product, and I recommend you to try this as well.
You can find them online, which is www.afroteaonline.com, or you can email them on consumer service at afroteaonline.com. You can also call them on 057-455-5557 if you're in Ghana. And if you're in Europe and want some of these products, call Solo in Germany +49 176 560 79019. And if you're in America or Canada and want to have some of these products, visit Amazon USA and you get Afro Tea from Amazon. Afro Tea, every sip counts.
For shizzle my nizzle, I'm out.